Hey there, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. Today I am going to show you how to record phone calls on your iPhone using a brand new feature in iOS 18.1. No apps, no payments, no hassle. It is all built right into your device. Oh, and it even automatically transcribes your recordings. Apple just made life easier. Let me show you how. But before that, here's what we will cover. Step 1. Check for iOS 18.1 or later. Step 2. Region check. Step 3. Make and record a call. Step 4. Access and transcribe the recording. Final tips and wrap up. Let us dive in. Step 1. Check for iOS 18.1 or later. First things first, make sure your iPhone is running iOS 18.1 or newer. Open Settings, scroll to General, tap on Software Update, and check if you are up to date. If there's an update, install it to unlock this amazing feature. This works on any iPhone model compatible with iOS 18, so whether you've got an iPhone XR, XS, or any later iPhone models, you are good to go. Step 2. Region check. Heads up, this feature isn't available in some regions, like the European Union. To check if it is available for you, head to Settings, search for iPhone, and look for Call Recording. If it is there, you are ready to roll. Step 3. Make and record a call. Now to record a call, just make a phone call like you normally would, whether it is a regular call or FaceTime audio. Once the person picks up, you will see the record option appear on the call screen. Tap it, and Siri will politely announce, "This call is being recorded. Everyone's in the loop. No sneaky business here." Step 4. Access and transcribe the recording. When the call ends, your recording is automatically saved in the Notes app under a new folder called Recordings. Not only you can play the audio back, but you will also see a full transcription of the call. Perfect for saving details without taking notes. You can edit the transcription, share it, or even copy it to another note. And if you just want the audio, you can save or share that too. Apple really thought of everything. Final tips and wrap up. And that's it. Recording and transcribing calls on your iPhone has never been easier. Just remember, the feature depends on your region and iOS version, so check those first. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more tech tips and tricks. Hit the notification bell so you are always up to date with our latest content. Have any questions or need further assistance? Drop a comment below. I'd love to help you out. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our next video. Bye for now.